So welcome. In this video, we're going to go ahead and make hyaluronic acid. That's right, hyaluronic acid serum. And it's very easy to make. And right here, yes, I had some powder or probably some baking powder still on there because I'll be cooking sometimes, you know. Men need to learn how to cook. And I'm just now starting. But anyways, we are here getting the correct measurements that we need. And actually, you can use 2, if not 3, depending on how much hyaluronic acid powder you want to add. But I'm only going to use, I could have organized this a little bit better. What was wrong with me? But God is amazing. We're going to keep on going. Praise the Lord. We need some water, some distilled water. But here, I'm actually using 2 cups or 3 cups. You can do milliliters if you prefer. Some people like milliliters. If you can do milliliters, just 200 milliliters is 2 cups. I know my math is probably wrong on that, but that's what it says on the cup. So we're gonna move on. And as you can see, it's like a milky white film. It looks like, you know, ejaculate, like somebody, you know, nutted. Not to be nasty or anything, but hey, it's just the truth. Now, it's not sea monkeys. It's not the real actual semen. So don't be alarmed. Now see how I have to keep going up and down, up and down, up and down. Yes, it powdered form. If you let it sit on top of the surface, it will not solidify, or correction, it will not liquefy. It will stay solidified. So in a powdered form, it will stick. That's why you need a stick blender, something that moves at a fast rate of speed to chop up all the little. Get tired. So right here, yep, I'm mixing. Oh yeah, what am I looking at? Yep, there's a young lady. She's running, jogging. Oh yeah, I love my apartment because yeah, it's right there at the waterfront, and everybody be running this stuff. They be wearing like, shoot, I don't know what they be wearing. They be wearing like almost nothing to run out here. I'm like, wow, is that really? Is she butt naked running? Like, is she really running in some small ass shorts like that? Like, what is going on, man? So yeah, I love women. You know how I am. But here, yeah, look, we are blending everything together, and let's listen to the sound. And yes, up and down, up and down. Oh yeah, those bubbles. Yes, make sure you chop those bubbles up because yes, that's the hyaluronic acid. It's water loving. It's soaking up all that water. Just those 2 tablespoons. It's literally this thick now, right? That's what I'm trying to tell you. Hyaluronic acid is very, very, very concentrated, and it loves water. You can put a whole gallon, 2 of these in a gallon, you know, like a gallon water jug, as you can see right there, and I guarantee you'll still have hyaluronic acid. It will fill up just from those 2.5 tablespoons. You don't need much, and this is just a basic formula for the nice liquidy kind of runny to where you can put it into a small bottle, put it on the face, and you're good to go. And I'm going to show you in a minute how to thicken it up if you really want thick hyaluronic acid for after a chemical peel. If you need to calm the face down, someone has rosacea or somebody's face that runs hot all the time, sensitive skin, you want that nice hyaluronic gel mask, a real thick one. We're going to move into that in just a moment. So right here, we're grinding it up. Oh yeah, let's listen. We want to test our product, and it's just a little small bowl. You don't have to have a testing dish. But I get these from the little science store right down the street from me. They're perfect. And like I said, all the links will be provided in the description below. You can click on any of the links and it will guide you to where you buy these products or the items to make the product of hyaluronic acid, okay? And see how nice and dewy, smooth, glistening butter, man, good God, like the buttery nipple. Yes. Let me stop talking crazy. Shh, calm it down. Okay, so see how gooey it is? Yes, yes, that's what you want. It's like a lubrication. You could use this as something else, but just use it on your face and your skin. Well, that is a part of your skin down there. But anyway, yes, look. Oh yeah, butter. All shining. Yes, dipped and glistening. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, cakes. Okay, let me stop. But yeah, you could use this for other many applications, but it stays glossy, it stays smooth. And right now, oh yeah, we're gonna put some in the hand, and we're gonna go ahead and put some and apply it to the face. But look how it runs, nice and slow. That's how you know you have a good mixture. If it's not slowly trickling down, and if it's like running down too fast, like water, then you need to mix it more or add more powder, okay? But that's a nice consistency. That's exactly what I want to see, a nice stream running down. Yes, apply it to the face. Oh yeah, get that forehead, don't be shy. Yeah, you've been working out. You gotta show the ladies, you gotta show the men, whoever you are, or them or they, or it. Yes, not it the clown, not that fool. That dude was crazy. Man, he's all in the storm drain and everything. I don't know what the fuck his problem was. But damn, abducting kids? Oh, Jesus, Lord. I'm glad they killed that fool. Well, I'm hoping they did. Yeah. But anyway, look, yep, get in between the ears. Need some sort of, vehicle to make it move across the skin even more, like silk. So this is just a pump bottle. It's a sprayer. I dropped it previous, and you're gonna see the water come out. I don't know why. I was a heathen, and I just dropped it and said, oh, okay, well, whatever. But now when I put water in it, I was like, oh damn, I should have picked it up. I don't know why I left it on the ground. So see, look, sprung a leak, but it'll still work. I have plenty of others. I don't know why I used this one for the video, but yep, yes. Douse the face with some water. It's just a fine mist. It's a sprayer. I know you can't see it too much because the camera, the bright light, the light is coming in and can't see the mist. But yes, I'm watering my face with light application of mist. Yes, see, little mist. That's all I'm saying. It just goes across the face. Yep, smooth. Look at that, shining, glistening. Hyaluronic acid, keep you young. Look at that. Yeah, it takes away those excuse me, Jesus, those forehead lines, wrinkles. I got wrinkles in my head. Look at that. Oh man, I got, good grief. Where I get those wrinkles from? Oh yeah, I've always had them. But I always had hair, so they covered it up. But now, yeah, I'm getting older. Yep, get the back of the neck, the nape of the neck, I guess is that what they say? Get the hair, everything. Hyaluronic acid is good. It's a moisturizer in itself, a hydrator. Hydrates the skin. That's right. Yeah, get the neck. Don't be scared. Get in there. That's right. Décolleté area. Thumbs up. We're good to go. Nice and still silky, still smooth. That's what I said. You don't want that dry. You gotta peel it off. It's a headache. So make sure you wet it and clean it real good. So see how good? Yes. See that? It's like making slime for like the kid projects and shit like that. But we're not making slime. We are making hyaluronic acid. This is the thicker hyaluronic acid. That's right. Let's sample it. Man. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's like a nuri mix, if you know what that means. But see how gooey and slippery. Always. That's neutral, right. If not alkaline. You do not want it acidic. I know they sell certain acidic hyaluronic acids, and it does open up the pores of the skin, and yes, it does, but it's kind of productive to me because it's also very acidic at that point. So here, yep, you get your little siphon filter, put it in. This is just an amber jar. Amber just means it blocks out the sun, not totally, not 100%, but it blocks it out to where the efficacy or the usage of your product will still stay at a reasonable high rate of usage. So you don't have to throw it out after 6 months, 8 months. After a year, yeah, okay. Any product after about 8 months is, yeah, even getting close to 6 months, you kind of want to rotate your products. Unless you keep it in a cool, dry place or not in the sun, then you could probably last your product for a year. If this is the most organic hyaluronic acid that you're going to get, you are making everything by hand. There's no process in this or nothing. Like, it's not chemically made or anything.